Hello guys, welcome back to Garten of Banban Free. Okay, so I have got the code because I can't really bother to work out all of this because it's 1, 2, 5, 3. What's this side? Okay, this side was 4, 1, 3. So 3, 4. Yes! Finally! Of course it just takes me to a random room. Of course it just takes... Oh, sorry! Mr. Banban says, "Be yourself, no matter cost, unlike me. Don't care whether you look so weird. You got." Oh, can I go in there? Oh, no. Okay, I'm not too long from finished in this game, however, so may just try to finish it today. Oh, no. Oh wow, this is lovely. I love all of these rooms. And the next one. Another one, please. Yay! Oh, and a note. Nah. Next one. Another room. Another room. Jeez, nice game. What's all that? Oh, we made that thing. Oh, at least. Use a firework on that guy's tongue. What's this? I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna assume. Assuming I have to make noise and get the firework and use it on his tongue. Here's something, I think. Bring my drone. Do I need those two? How's that noise? But how's that? Let's go use this time. How did you get me? Bruh. Why is it just S? This doesn't make any sense. Why is it just letters? Like, why is it letters? That doesn't really make any sense. Like, what am I doing? Let's go back. What's this? Oh, so I saw a button activated, so maybe I gotta press that. I saw a button that was activated. I think maybe I gotta press that with my drone. Get my drone next. Let's go back. This is actually kind of a hard boss fight, to be honest. It's kind of cool, but. Oh my gosh, I couldn't get off. You didn't give me enough time. Hurry up, game! What's the point of a T? What's the point of a T? That doesn't make any sense. Oh, I'm gonna hit that button, remember that. if I remember, I think it should. Please do time. Oh my gosh. Please don't do spit. Hurry up. No! He's going to spit, isn't he? I missed the board! Come on, game! It's not fun! Okay, what's the start of it? I can't reach that! It's too far! Maybe I'll go in here. That was me, I'm not lying. What about getting to do it here? No! Why are you doing that? Please do tongue. Tongue! Do tongue! I'm not asking for that one. I'm asking for tongue. Can you please do tongue? This video's gonna take forever if you don't show it. Tongue! It keeps doing spits. Come on, game. Unless if I don't need to, or unless if I shouldn't be on the board. That's too far! Come on! Oh, get that! It's too far. You can't get it! What's the point? You can't get it! I'm not lying, game, you can't! He's too far! He needs to tongue more often, not just once. I think he's going to spit. Spit. Do it. No, tongue! Tongue. Do tongue, now! Do tongue or else. Did it? Did it? That makes sense. I need to be on the thing. So, okay, I know what else to do. it's just I don't know. No. Please just stop. I don't like this boss fight. Really, I really don't. Please just activate the gun. Actually, I'm glad that actually please send, please. Okay, at least still time again. Please, that's definitely it. Yes, I think I did it finally. Where's he going? Bye! Oh my gosh, finally. Okay, I think I gotta go grab some stuff first before I go. What's this note here? What the hell are those? So, let's do those. Let's now get out. Okay, okay, I think that actually helps. Okay, so we're journey on to it. I'm definitely close to the end. I'm not gonna stop this video until I finish it anyway. Okay. It. You will have a nice dress.
3 stones with 1 bird.
Maybe, I think I'm gonna get him to distract the birds, because I'll probably need the birds.
Behave or get Banban. Hand over your pancreas. 3 stones with 1 bird. Behave or get Banban. 3 stones with 1 bird.
I don't get what you mean.
Behave or get Banban. Hand over your pancreas. Behave or get Banban.
What's this? Don't care.
Hand over your
What if I need to open
pancreas. Open sesame.
What do you mean? Oh, that's a key card. I don't know what the key card's for. Thank you. What's the key card for?
Hand over your pancreas.
Okay, I don't think it's close enough. I need to get it to the bird.
Hand over your pancreas. 3 stones with 1 bird.
Maybe I gotta jump on that guy when I get him.
3 stones with 1 bird.
Hurry up.
3 stones with 1
That's
bird.
definitely. Oh, give me. Come. Subin Sussy's gonna come. Interact. Yes! I got it! Okay, see. Okay, we're good. We're good. Oh, what's happening here? Oh, I got it into my hand. Oh. Oh. So now I can do this. Now what? Oh.
Okay. Bird riding is a new one. I'll give you
Who's
that.
this?
What drives you forward so vigorously? You're forced to accept that it's your protective parent instinct.
What are you looking at? Also, why do you never blink? Or why do you have one eyeball?
Someone is giving you false
What are you looking
hope.
at, brother bud? Didn't
Promised
wait.
you what you want.
Then you
All
fell.
along they had one thing on their mind. Pancreas.
Wait, how do you got Banban? How do you got Banban? He's right there.
About how everything was going perfectly in your favor.
Okay.
Despite you never being here before. And then it hit me. Someone has to have been guiding you.
Okay.
And as with most things,
Where's
I
my
was
drone?
right.
Why is he over
Did
there?
have help.
Why is my drone over there? It was like
Friend
right
of
key
yours
card for that. There's
helped
nothing.
me tremendously. Thanks to him, I bore witness to very vital information. What information, you ask?
I don't know.
Well, when my
The hell is
turn
he gone?
comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
Ah! I can slow down. Blue light, that guy. Oh, let's go. Go. Okay, I think you need to go in front then. So you go. Hurry up! Let's go in. Oh wait! Wait time. I think it'll be, hello, yep. Let's get in there. No! Go! Okay, so you get it. So, let's start. No, stop! Run. No, run. Go. Go. Good. Okay, I need to go in front. Are we in? That's me. Oh no! Hurry up! Okay. Is this gonna happen? Stop. You stupid bird. I actually crossed first, to be honest. Broken game. What did I do? Nothing went wrong. I crossed it first. Unless that's pink. No, I swear. That's right. Oh shit, that's too many rooms. Not to restart because the game's brilliant, right? Don't let. And if I have to. I can barely see. Oh yeah, this one. Get me first. Pillar, no, why are you so far? Hurry up. Good. Go, Pillar. Wait, sorry, Pillar. Go! No! Like, it doesn't give me enough time to run. Or like, stop. What's the point? What's the point of making this section if it's broken? Oh, so I need to end this video like right now. Hurry up, game. I'm so close to the end. You just need to let me go. Come on, Bella. The pillar. No! Hurry up, Pillar. Pillar, hurry up. Hurry up, it's so slow. Why? No, wait. Wait, stop, Pillar. I just need to go very quickly. I want to say Pillar for next year. Hurry up. Pillar, hurry up, hurry up. Actually, hurry up. Okay, Pillar again. Pillar, hurry up! Why is it stopping? Who made this place? Pillar, hurry up! We're somewhere else now. Oh no. Where are we? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, what's happening? I think I did it. What are you looking at? What are you
You
doing?
can run away, but the smell of your pancreas will always draw
What's
me
happening?
to you.
Huh? What's happening? Oh! He's distracted. Yes, Josh! Oh, what are you doing? What are you guys doing? Guys, stop fighting. Oh my god. Josh! What? Was that blood on you? Did you just kill him? I bet you did. Oh? Oh?
Stop it, you two.
Oh no. Ah! What are you doing? What are you looking at? What are you looking at? Oh, no. Oh, that's door. I can go in here. Where are we now? What are you doing? Don't say I'm together. I bet you. Find the kingdom, find the sheriff, don't let the jester find you. Okay, cool. Now, time for... Where are we going next? Where are we going? I think this is actually the end of the game, actually. I don't know what that white key card's for, but I'm going to ignore it for now. Maybe I'll make a separate video, but... Oh, what's happening? What's happening? Game? I think that was the end of chapter 3. Oh, that was the end of chapter 3. Thank you. Like and subscribe if you want me to play chapter 4. Bye.